Imagine you are navigating a ship. You travel in one direction, then change a course at a certain angle. Now, you want to know how far are you from where you start. This situation forms a triangle but not a right triangle. That means we cannot use the Pythagorean theorem. Cosine rule or law of cosine. It states that relates the side lengths of a triangle to the cosine of one each triangle defined as a squared equals to b squared plus c squared minus 2bc. It used for the third when it's two sides and included. So this angle represents the rule of cosine, which means all the big letter, it states that the big letter have the angle and the small ones have their side. For example, the big letter A, the opposite of big letter A is a side A, which means the big letter is angle and the opposite is the side. So, in cosine rule, there are two types of formula. First is find a missing side, which means a squared is equals to b squared plus c squared minus 2bc, and the one is finding a missing angle, which means cos A is equals to b2 c2 minus a2 over 2bc. Let's start with our foundation. We assume that these triangles are 30 degrees. At this stage, the energy is concentrated. The angles are sharp and narrow. It's compact, precise, and represent the starting point of our cosine journey. And the second one, this is the 60 degree, states that the angle expands to 60, the triangle begins to breathe. Notice how the shape does just get wider, it pushes outward. And the last one is a 90 degree angle. This is our pillar pace because the angle has reached its peak in the sequence. The distance is now at the greatest. The shape has transformed from a tiny needle into a massive, stable frame that anchors the entire screen. It shows a clear rule: the higher degree, the greater the reach. Now, let's start the first formula for finding side by side of the cosine rule. For example, this problem, we're gonna answer it. We assume that this triangle looking for the side C, and the given of that question is A side A is equals to 60 kilometers and the side B is 80 kilometers and the angle C is equals to 60 degree. So we're gonna solve it problem. So the given A is equals to 60 kilometers, B is equals to 80 kilometers, and C is equals to 60 degree. For formula, C squared is equals to A squared plus B squared minus 2AB cos C. We're gonna put the equation C squared is equals to 60 squared plus 80 squared minus 2 times 60 times 80 cos 60. C squared is equals to 36 plus 64 minus 9,600 times 0.5. C squared is equals to 5,200 and a square root of 5,200 is 72.11 kilometers. So therefore, the side C is equivalent to 72.11 kilometers. So next, imagine a container ship leaves port and travel 15 nautical miles east. Because of a storm, it shifts course and travels another 22 nautical miles. By the end of the trip, the ship is exactly 30 nautical miles away from its starting point. Our goal is to find the internal angle between those two legs of the journey. For the solution, leg A is equals to 15 nautical miles and leg B is equals to 22 nautical miles. Start until to the end distance is equals to 30 nautical miles. For the formula, cos open and close parenthesis 0 is equals to a squared plus b squared minus c squared over 2ab, and we put the equation cos open and close parenthesis 0 is equals to 15 squared plus 22 squared minus 30 squared over 2 times 15 times 22. Then cos is equals to 225 plus 484 minus 900 over 660 is equals to negative 191, and negative 191 over 660 is equals to negative 0.2894, and 0 and negative 0.894 times r cos is equals to 106.82 degree. And that's all. Thank you.